Thank you for your interest in getting this guidebook from me, and I'll send it to you as soon as possible. And I have thought of that learning on the guidebook itself can sometimes be difficult, and I have prepared this on free 30-minute online consultation or coaching to help you to enhance your learning. And if you have any question and need guidance, I will personally guide you for free in these 30 minutes to tell you also how to personalize your facial massage, how to apply the correct technique, that you can actually do it confidently on your own for free. And the reason why I'm doing this is that I realized that in the past, learning on my own without anyone guiding is like I'm still doubtful of my own technique as well. And if you need it, please click on the button I want this 30-minute consultation coaching, and I'll revert back to you as soon as possible. And this 30-minute free consultation is only a limited time offer. As long as I'm still running this page, it will still be made available, and once you close it, then you won't be able to see it again. So make this decision, and there's no risk to you. I'm sure that this particular 30-minute consultation is going to worth your time in learning, and I will even further help you to understand the guidebook so that you can do it, the facial massage, on your own even more effectively. So click on the button I want this facial consultation, and I will get back to you soon. Thank you.
Thank you very much.